Hey guys, Kelsey here for Wolf Industries with another Model I tour. Today we're going to check out this Model I local here in Battleground. Pretty exciting because it was just down the road, so our field guys had a very short delivery time. As we're looking on the exterior, you can see they added some ledger board. They're going to do a full wraparound deck, and we closed off that sliding door so that they can access it once their deck is ready. Standard lap siding on the body of the house, board and bat up in the gable. That is also a standard Wolf Model I exterior. Heading inside, we are in the living, dining, kitchen, a nice big open great room space. In the kitchen, we've got standard white cabinets, standard countertop. They did an upgrade on the undermount sink, but kept everything as your standard brush nickel. They did change to handles on your hardware. This is a slightly ADA friendly home, so we added levers and handles throughout the house. You can see they also did a very nice full tile backsplash. Heading down the hallway, we are heading to our bedrooms. Again, this is a Model I, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 1,232 square feet. We are looking at one of the second bedrooms right now. Again, they don't have closets in all the bedrooms just because it is determined on bedroom count size for where this house was going. But in the main bedroom, we've got this nice double vanity. We added an upgraded shower insert for them, again, to keep it ADA friendly. So this insert was special ordered without seats so that they can add their own seat as needed, and grab bars to help them in and out of that shower. Viewing the second and third bedroom again, nice open spaces. We've got plenty of room for queen bed, bunk beds, office space, art, yoga studio, whatever you want those spaces to be. Second bathroom, real quick shot of what a standard white shaker cabinet looks like. Heading back into our great open space, we are wrapping up this Model I video. We want to thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, reach out for a factory tour or phone consult. We're excited to meet you.